Hey, welcome to my channel, La Vida with Kim, and my name is Kim if you did not know already. So if you already did know that's my name, you know this is not my regular background. Okay, so I'm right here at the shop with the hubby. This is his area, you know, he got his plaque and all his little stuff. This is his shop wall. So I'm with him right now. We went to Starbucks. I got my iced chai latte. If you have not tried this drink, you need to try it. I was obsessed with the cherry chai that was like out a few months ago, or like a month ago, and they took the cherry away because it was just seasonal. I hope they do bring it back. They need to make it permanent. Starbucks, you need to bring the cherry foam back and make it permanent. But meanwhile, I'm using the raspberry and it tastes still amazing. You know how good it tastes? And that even the hubby is drinking some. It's good, huh? I told you. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, it's so good. I love it. So, iced chai latte with raspberry foam. Okay? Non-fat, whatever you want. But yes, go try it. I am obsessed. So, yeah. Try it. Let me know what you think, okay? Okay, anyways, back to my bag. Today I am doing a what's in my bag video. What fits in my bag? So this is my newest bag, the Coachtopia. The summer I turned pretty, guys, and yes, I know she's a little hard to see because I like attacked her with charms. I just felt like she just needed everything, so I threw a la boo boo, a la foo foo, the crybaby cherry charm, and then I left the charms that it comes with. I got her off Amazon because it is no longer available on the website. I had been stocking it for a while because I really wanted it. I just didn't make up my mind and it sold out. I came across it in Amazon, like I said, and I finally got it. Well, the hubby got it for me. So blah blah blah, here she is. So yes, let me move the charms so you guys can see her better, okay? Because I know, oh my god, I just wanted to throw so many charms on her. She's so pretty. So I got the Queen Checkmate La Boo Boo. She's so adorbs. I got the La Foo Foo. This is from a haul of like hair accessories. I got my daughter. They had a bunch of these. We got like all of them because it's like, what do you call it? Like mayoreo, you know, so you have to buy by a dozen, and they had them in all different colors. So look at this, it's so cute. Of course I have to have a pink one, and then these I'm gonna leave it because this is what the bag comes with. I have the crybaby cherry charms as well. Of course I had to put it on here because it's a cherry bag, you know. So cute. I'm thinking about bedazzling the tears. What do you think? Okay, so here's the bag. This is what it looks like up close. Look, she is so pretty. I have been using her non-stop. I love that she has a super long strap. Look at that, beautiful. She's like a creamy color. She's not white. You see my nails, how they're white? This is like a creamy color. Beautiful. This is the bottom. Oh no, she's getting dirty because my husband's table is all nasty. I'll clean her later. This is the side. It does have a detachable strap. The back, beautiful, beautiful. She's a little dirty. Need to wipe her down because, like I said, I have been using her non-stop. The other side, the top, I'm going to show you what is inside. So it has a Coachtopia tag right there, and then the tags that it comes with. This beautiful little flower charm, and it has little rhinestones in the middle. How cute is that? By the way, I'm trying the short nails again. Oh my god, let me know what you think. Coach tag right here, and it says Coachtopia in the back, and then this beautiful tag. Look at that. It's so pretty. The summer I turned pretty. This is inspired by that show on Amazon Prime. So okay, let's get into the bag. I want to have one of those one day. Okay. So obviously I don't have so much in here because this is a pretty small bag. This is like more on the go, you know, quick and easy. So I have my stand, my phone stand. This is a super thin phone stand that I love to use on the go. It can clip on like a keychain or whatever, your pants, your jeans. Super easy to use, and it's pink. So I have my phone stand usually pretty much all the time. Right now I'm using the hubby's phone stand. Next I have some wipes because I cannot stand to be sticky. So anytime I get dirty or the kids get dirty, clean your hands. So this is my Melody. I got this at Miniso. I'm almost out, but I love these because they're so cute. So they always fit in all my bags. Then I have some honey. This is pineapple mango from Bath & Body Works. Sorry, I just had to smell it. Oh, it smells so good. Next, I have a bunch of coupons because I'm planning to go to the mall one of these days, and I have a bunch of coupons that I need to use. So yeah, all my mall coupons are right here. Some lotion. This is Bath & Body Works Perfect in Pink. By the way, who got stuff from the Bath & Body Works Disney Villains collection, the members drop, and who's waiting for the official drop? I'm pretty sure I'm going to drop this video before the official drop, which is September 3rd. If you're into Disney Villains, keep an eye out for that. I have some lip shimmer from also Bath & Body Works. It's thin, so it fits in this bag perfectly. It's not too bulky. I'm not a lipstick girl, so I always just have like some chapstick or like a light lip shimmer. And then my little wallet. Look how cute this is. It's a card holder. This is a matching card case to the bag. So look at that. So cute. It also does come with a tag that says Coach and Coachtopia on the back. And it has the same flower charm. Look at that. So stinking cute. Oh my gosh. So yeah. So I have two cards in the back. It has two card inserts. I'll link this one and the bag as well in the description, okay? And it has a zipper. I have more cards in here, and it does extend like that. Look at that. To put your stuff in there. So yeah. Slim, fits perfect in here. Look at that. And then that's it. Like I said, there's not much space in here, so she's a very quick on the go bag. She does have inserts in here, 1, 2, 3, if you want to use those. And she's super soft inside. This feels so nice. It's like a suede interior, so pretty. So beautiful long strap. So let me set up everything that I have right here inside. So she fits my basics, like I said. Not so much, but I love this bag. I have not stopped using her. My coupons. My phone stand and my handy. So yeah, that's what she fits. Okay, let me put everything back in there. Starting off with my cupones, I put them all the way in the edge. My lotion. Sorry if it's a little blurry. My wipes, my hand sanitizer facing up so it does not spill. My card case. and my phone and my phone stand, whatever way it fits. So this is how it looks in there. I could probably fit a little bit more in there, but I don't like it too bulky, you know. So there she is. I'm going to add the charms back on. Checkmate Labubu. What do you think? Do you think the charms are too much? I'm just like, I just have too many charms, you know. Might as well use them, you know. Did you get the pin, Labubus? Let me know. I did not. I like totally missed out. I fell asleep, but my hubby tried to get them for me and he just couldn't do it either. So damn resellers, you know, they were like on it. But yeah, okay, here she is with all her charms and everything. You can't even see the bag anymore. But yeah, oh my god, I am obsessed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for being with me, hanging out with me in my little corner of YouTube. So stay tuned for more videos to come. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.